Welcome to Cambria, a brand new community in Garner perfectly positioned in an ideal location for a convenient life. You're just 9 minutes from the extensive shopping and dining at White Oak Crossing, only 20 minutes from the energy of downtown Raleigh, and located near I-40, Highway 70, and I-540 for a seamless commute in any direction. This vibrant neighborhood offers a variety of modern home designs for every step of life, including flexible 2-story single-family homes, a low-maintenance ranch plan, and open-concept low-maintenance townhomes. Our life-tested floor plan designs feature consumer-inspired layouts, versatile flex rooms and spaces, quality energy-efficient construction, smart home technology, and designer-curated selection packages. Plus, high-speed internet and cable TV are included in your HOA for significant monthly savings. You'll be part of the acclaimed Wake County school system with the new South Garner High School in walking distance across the street from the community. Nature is always within reach. You're only 4 minutes from the trails and soccer fields at Centennial Park and within 12 minutes from the scenic Lake Vinson and White Deer Park, offering green space, playgrounds, and lakefront activities right outside your door. When it's time to unwind, everything you need is right around the corner. Explore the local restaurants and breweries of Garner, or head to White Oak Crossing to visit Target, BJ's, and a wide array of retail and entertainment options. Right at home, you'll enjoy amenities designed for connection, including a swimming pool and cabana, a fitness center, community dog park, a playground, and pocket parks with open green space throughout the neighborhood. We can't wait to meet you at Cambria and show you why this community is the perfect place to call home.